already earned over $300 uploading AI images to Adobe Stock, and right now I'm making between $1 to $30 per day, completely passively. No design skills, no Photoshop, no fancy tools. But here's the problem. Most people quit at the very beginning, not because the system doesn't work, but because generating images manually over and over again is exhausting. That's where I come in.
Your savior is here!
In this video, I'll break down my exact workflow, how I automated the entire process, and how you can start earning from AI stock images with almost zero effort. Yes, I said no effort.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Step 1. Open ChatGPT and ask, what are the top stock image categories right now? Then, for each category, ask ChatGPT to give you 10 prompts. I ended up with a massive list of over 100 prompts. Once you have your list, save it as a .txt file. Congratulations, you've just completed Step 1. Step 2. We need to generate images from that prompt list. I use Adobe Firefly for this. It's free to start and they even offer a trial. Inside Firefly, go to the text-to-image tool. Now here's what most people get stuck on. You have 100 prompts. You really generate them one by one? It's where the magic happens. Step 3. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search AutoFly Firefly. Install the extension.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Now upload your user's prompt list and click Start. AutoFly will automatically feed each prompt into Firefly, generate the images, download them, and even give you a CSV with all the image details. Yes, does everything for you. This alone saves me hours every day. Step 4. Next, go through the images and delete the worst 80%. Be honest, don't be greedy. Why delete? Because Adobe Stock has review limits. Every image is manually reviewed, so only upload your best work. Now, use tools like Gigapixel AI to upscale your images. This is one of the most important steps. High-resolution images are required to get accepted. Now, your images are ready to go. Step 5. Head to your Adobe Stock contributor account. Upload your images for titles, keywords, and descriptions. Adobe provides suggestions, or use a free tool like metadatagen.com. That's it, done. At first, I saw no results, but after a few days of uploading consistently, the sales started. And remember, every image you upload keeps earning forever. Subscribe.